Burger Queen allows free refills on their soft drinks. The management has found that the amount of soft drink dispensed per refill is normally distributed with a standard deviation of 15 mils. If 15% of refills are more than 230 mils, find the mean amount of soft drinks dispensed per customer. So we are trying to figure out what the mean is on this distribution graph. Whereas we need to draw a distribution graph for that question, which should look like this. Since we are trying to figure out what the mu is, or the mean, we leave this unknown. Since we know the standard deviation, we put it in the top there, and it has asked us more than 230, and so we put the 0.15 of an area to the right hand side of 230. Although we cannot go on that, we need to figure out what z is first. And the z formula is z equals x minus mu divided by standard deviation. And with that, we need to draw another graph, which should look like this. Instead, we should have a mean of 0, a standard deviation of 1, but the area is still kept as 0.15, although we are now trying to figure out what z is, which was where the 230 was. And using your graphics calculator, we're going to use the inverse normal. So we go to stats, we go F5, F1, and then F3. This should give us this, and as you can tell, I've already done it, but so data should be set in variable, your tail should be right, and your area should be 0.15, a standard deviation of 1, and mu of 0. So you press equals, and that should give you the answer of 1.036433339, and that is your z. Now, going back to now knowing z is, we need to work out this. Since we know what z is now, we can work out this formula, z equals x minus mu over standard deviation. We can put into the question that we had before and the graph that we had in the beginning, which is now 1.036433339 equals 230 minus mu over 15. And with that, we need to go to menu, we need to go to equations, and then F3, and then you write exactly that out on your calculator. Now the letter can be anything you want, just make sure that you put in brackets. So I've already done it here, so you got 1.036433339 equals, and then brackets 230 minus a brackets divided by 15. Go ahead and press equal and then solve, and it should give you this, 214.45 34992, and I just rounded it up to 214.45 mils, and using this formula will give you the mu, meaning that when we go back to our question of find the mean amount of soft drinks dispensed per customer, we can now answer that and say the mean amount of soft drinks dispensed per customer is 214.45 mils.